very young men of the
Very young
Philippine Navy and Marines. No? Before coming in, well, let's talk about the slow-mo action first, Ron.
Oh, good left, and he was a little off balance, tignan mo. In the bar. Perfectly timed punch.
Actually,
on the break.
kasama sa gula.
Yeah, tama.
Push off with your shoulder and then throw the punch. And you know, you just gotta have to protect yourself all the time. #1 rule in the sport of boxing, Jet Li Purisima learned the hard way. Ryan Lumacad scored a 10-8 round. 10-8 in that round.
We'd like to thank our good friends from Manny Pacquiao Promotions. Of course, Manny Pacquiao, the only one. 8-division world champion. One of the greatest boxers of all time. And Joe Ramos and Mike Cons have been communicating with Joe Ramos very often on this fight card. He wanted it done by Viva Sports, and we're happy to work with MP Promotions in bringing more fights for you on Philippine television, on the main event. The one who put this all together was Joven Jimenez. He was in the Navy, pala.
Right.
Many years.
And we only found out today.
Yeah, for 15 years.
15 years, he says.
Oh, good body shot by Lumacad. But you know, this guy, ito si Purisima, he can take a punch,
Right.
Mike.
Right.
He can take a punch.
Sabi nga natin kanina, kahit na ang record nga nitong si Purisima was 21-16, no? Hindi mo siya pwedeng hindi seryosohin, no?
Yeah.
You know he's gonna come forward. You know he's gonna try to win this. And that's exactly what Lumacad has been doing. He's working. Pinapagtrabaho siya ni Purisima.
Which is good for... Good. Oh, what a beautiful punch.
That's a nice counter, dropping the right shoulder and then coming back up with a right uppercut, connecting against Purisima.
That's why I describe Mike as the boxing man. He's got a gym. There's some instructionals. Oh, that was a low blow by Purisima.
Yeah. That one I don't teach. either offense or defense. You can't teach that.
It comes naturally.
That's right. Lumacad coming back with the 1-2 combination. Again, dipping that right shoulder and coming back up with a right uppercut. What a move by Lumacad.
This boy is technically so good. Technically so good.
And he's only 23 years old, no? Mga manonood, ating mga sumusubaybay sa boxing. Ryan Lumacad po ang pangalan. 9 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw. 5 po sa
knockout.
Sa 9 na panalo, knockout. 23 anyos. Napakaganda pong gumalaw at lumaban itong si Lumacad.
Si Purisima naman, sobrang matibay, matapang pa rin, agresibo, pero Lumacad is, I think, just too good.
Nauunahan na suntok, partner. Hindi nakakabitaw na suntok si Purisima eh. Nakakapasok pero hindi nakakabitaw.
And another good action-packed round. Gets a round of applause from the fight fans dito sa Go Navy. Look at that punch. And then he doubles it up very quickly.
Right.
Yun ang magaling. Si Lumacad, he doesn't throw just one punch. He doubles up his punches.
Kaya importante talaga you throw combinations. Eh.
Little kids, some of the kids, future boxing champions. Oh,
there you go.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, magaling eh. Magandang bata pa.
You know, we're right in the middle of the
complex.
Yeah, the complex. I think this is the officers' housing. No? And you do have some servicemen also living in this area. So you do have families living here and near the gym. And that's why it's such an apt location for a boxing match. Now, if you look around, everybody just joined us right now. Puno, no? Puno yung gym natin.
Yeah.
At higit sa lahat, Ronnie, aircon.
Aircon, yan. You can even wear a jacket while doing the blow-by-blow.
Right.
Yeah.
That jab has really been working for Lumacad. Hindi nakakalapit itong si Jet Li Purisima.
Yeah. And the jab is not just an ordinary, it's a stinging jab.
Right. Kaya nga tinitignan ko yung listahan, orthodox. Ibig sabihin, kanan yung kanyang dominant. And he decided to fight southpaw today. And therefore, yung kanan parang straight. Kung dumatay, yun Dalawa, tatlong kanan. Left upper. Right overhand by Lumakad. Both stinging. Kaliwa by Purisima.
I like Purisima's courage. May laban talaga. May puso.
Si Lumakad, partner, kung hindi bukas yung sa ulo, pupunta sa katawan with that right jab. Another uppercut by Lumakad.
And you can hear, you can feel the leather hitting the body.
Right. Left straight by Purisima, missing the head of Lumakad.
And Lumakad also times his punches. Maganda yung timing niya.
Another body shot by Lumakad. Kaliwat kanan, combo bato ng straight. Si Lumakad, partner. Another low blow. Oh.
He should have given him more time.
No, I don't think he called it a low blow. I don't think the referee agreed with Lumakad.
He just scared. Come on, come on.
Body shots by Lumakad. But this round, medyo dikit ito. Purisima is dictating how this round is going to end. Overhand left by
Final 10
Purisima.
seconds. He has fought a hell of a fight. He's losing. I think he knows he's losing, but
Ryan Lumakad's last fight was a third round win, knockout. While sabi mo nga kanina, Ronnie, dun sa opening natin, itong si Jet Li Purisima, ang huling laban nito, talo kay Richie. Mepronom, no?
that was also a boxer.
Purisima doing what he was trying to do in the previous round with a little amount of success, bring the fight inside the defense of Lumakad.
This fight is scheduled for 10 rounds. We're in round number 6. The 5th round was possibly Purisima.
Right. I also put that on my notes. And he's doing exactly what he's been trying to do in the 5th. Pumapasok siya, partner, doon sa loob ng depensa nitong si Lumakad. Hindi nakakabato ng jab si Lumakad. No, so far, that jab has been working for Ryan in the past 4 rounds. Doon sa 5th round, dumikit ang spasyo nitong si Purisima. Hindi niya binibigyan ng pagkakataon jumab itong si Lumakad.
Which is a good tactic.
Right. And sabi mo nga, that last round could have been Purisima's round. Ano na lang to? Conditioning ang magdidesisyon dito para sa atin kung ganito ang tuloy ng laban. Kasi Ron, yung mga tulakan na ganyan, yung mga dikita na ganyan, nakakapagod din yan.
Pagod yan talaga.
Even if you're not throwing any punch.
You lean on the body,
right.
that's
madikitan
your
ka lang.
Yun.
Soft jab by Purisima. Yun ang difference. There's a major difference between how these two guys are throwing their jabs. Ryan Lumakad is throwing it like a straight. While Jet Li Purisima, it's a mosquito jab. yung nanggugulo lang just to set up his left hand.
But maybe, just maybe, Lumakad could be tiring just a little bit because of
yung pressure, no?
Pressure. ni Purisima.
Right, wala na rin diin yung mga kombinasyon. Ito si Lumakad.
Oh, good left by Purisima. Left hook.
Magandang patama yun. Kung kumubit ng buong buo yun. Oh, nabawian tuloy siya ni Lumakad.
He used his shoulder.
Right, same thing he did in round number 2. Pagtulak ng shoulder, sabay bitaw ng kaliwa.
Gulang. There goes the bell end of the round. We're going to take a break and come back in a moment.